The Aam Aadmi Party has taken a firm stand against what it calls objectionable cinema content, filing a formal complaint with the State Women's Commission seeking the immediate cancellation of the teaser of the recently released film Toxic. Earlier today, members of the Aam Aadmi Party Women's Wing visited the office of the State Women's Commission and submitted a detailed complaint alleging that the teaser contains obscene and mature visuals released into the public domain without any age restrictions or warning. Addressing the media, Aam Aadmi Party State Secretary Usha Mohan said the teaser goes beyond creative freedom and amounts to a direct attack on the dignity of women. She stated that such visuals seriously harm the social well-being of women and children and have a disturbing impact on minors who freely access content on social media platforms. Usha Mohan alleged that the teaser degrades women and insults the historical and cultural values of Kannada society, questioning the lack of accountability in approving and releasing such content. Calling the issue a serious social concern, she demanded immediate intervention by the State Women's Commission and urged it to direct the state government and the police department to cancel the teaser and ensure its complete removal from the social media platforms. She further appealed to constitutional bodies responsible for safeguarding women's rights and moral values to act decisively instead of remaining silent. Usha Mohan also demanded that the government frame strict laws to prevent the public release of objectionable content that negatively targets women under the guise of cinema. Women leaders Veena Sarao, Jyoti and other Aam Aadmi Party members were present during the submission of the complaint.